Hope you are fit and fine at home. Very good. Me also fine, my little champ. So welcome to all our online class. Students, I am saying to again, no need to go outside, stay at home, listen to your parents properly, use precautions properly, wash your hands, use sanitizer, maintain social distancing. Understood all of you? You know very well. Being a good children. So without wasting the time, we can start our class. Now we can start our class. Open your notebooks. This is your maths class and this is your notebooks. You know, please tell me, anyone tell me, what is the date today? 19 of May. Yes, very good. Months, 5 months. Year 2021. Lecture number 24, inverse. Previous video you had studied inverse 31 to 40. Today I am going to teach you inverse 41 to 50. 41. Please tell me what is the spelling of 40? F-O-R-T by 40. O-N-E 1. Next spelling is 42. F-O-R-T by 40. T-W-O-2. Next spelling is 43. Please tell me what is the spelling of 43? F-O-R-T by 40. T-H-R-E-E 3. 44. F-O-R-T by 40. F-O-U-R 4. Next spelling is 45. What is the spelling of 45? F-O-R-T by 40. F-I-V-E 5. 46. F-O-R-T by 40. S-I-X 6. Next spelling is 47. Please tell me what is the spelling of 47? F-O-R-T by 40. S-E-V-E-N 7. 48. F-O-R-T by 40. E-I-G-H-T 8. Next spelling is 49. F-O-R-T by 40. N-I-N-E 9. Next spelling is 50. Please tell me what is the spelling of 50? F-I-F-T by 50. Next page you have to mention the same H-W. Understood all of you? And next topic is table 6. Previous video you had studied the table of 5. Today we will teach you the table of 6. 6 1 ja 6. 6 2 ja 12. Very good. 6 3 ja 18. 6 4 ja 24. 6 5 ja 30. 6 6 ja 36. 6 7 ja 42. 6 8 ja 48. 6 9 ja 54. 6 10 ja 60. Please repeat with me once again. 6 1 ja 6. 6 2 ja 12. 6 3 ja 18. 6 4 ja 24. 6 5 ja 30. 6 6 ja 36. 6 7 ja 42. 6 8 ja 48. 6 9 ja 54. 6 10 ja 60. Next page, you have to mention the same as W. Students, you have to note down your summer holidays homework. Page enjoying maths. Enjoying maths. In your homework, you have to complete the page number 46, 47 and 48 also. Today I will teach you one example is in front of you. Page number 46 V. First B part, 3 plus 7. 1, 2, 3. You can draw the line like this. Next number is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can count these lines together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What is the answer? Answer is 10. Or you can count on the fingers also. 1, 2, 3. Next number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Can count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Answer will come 10. Hope you understood very well. Next page 47. You can draw the line like this. 2 plus 2, or you can count on the fingers. 1, 2, 1, 2. You can count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Answer is 4. Or you can draw the line. 1, 2, 1, 2. Count together these lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Answer is 4. Understood all of you? Next page 48. Problem word on addition. 4 goats are eating grass. One more join them. How many goats are there now? 4 goats already थी, पहले से थी, और 1 उसमें और ऐड हो गई. तो कितनी goats हो गई? You can count on the finger or you can count by draw the lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more. 1. Can count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, it is correct. 5 birds are flying. 2 more join them. How many birds are there now? 5 birds already थी और 2 birds उसमें और join हो गई. तो total कितनी birds हो गई? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. Count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 birds. There are 6 girls in a room. 2 more girls join them. How many girls are there now? 6 girls पहले ही रूम में थी और 2 उसमें और ज्वाइन हो गई. तो टोटल कितनी गर्ल्स हो गई? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. Total girls are 8. If you can count together, answer is 8. Rahul has 6 balls. Kapil has 3 balls. How many balls do they have in all? 6 balls पहले से थी और 3 balls और आ गई. तो टोटल कितनी balls हो गई? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Total balls are 9. Understood all of you? Total balls are 9. Students, hope you understood very well. In your summer holidays, you have to complete the page number 46, 47 and 48 in this enjoying maths. Understood all of you? This is your summer vacation homework. Student, one book is there. Top that fun activities for holidays. In this book, 3 books are included: English, Hindi, and Maths also. So you have to complete it from summer holidays homework, page number 82 to 99. Understood all of you? It is based on your Enjoying Maths book. Same syllabus are in this worksheet. You can complete the worksheet number 1 to on 99 page. Worksheet 18. Complete to page number 82 to 99. Understood all of you? You have completed in 3 top books page number 82 to 99. Understood all of you? टी टॉप वाली बुक में आपको पेज नंबर 82 से लेकर 99 तक का वर्क कंप्लीट करना है और एंजॉइंग मैथ्स में पेज नंबर 46, 47, 48 तक का वर्क कंप्लीट करना है. अंडरस्टूड ऑल ऑफ यू? होप you understood very well. Students, being a good children, you have completed all the work in summer holidays homework. Understood all of you? And in this book I am telling you the page number 96, ordinal numbers and positions. Color the correct objects according to the position. Second, you can count 2 flowers from this picture and color it. Fourth, you can count the fourth. First, you can color four colors in this fourth apple and first balloon. 6, you can count the 6th picture and color it. And 8, you can count the 8 pictures and color it. 10, you can count the 10 balloons and color it. Because ordinal numbers and positions: first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8th, 9th, 10th. Understood all of you? Match the following vegetables to their ordinal number as shown in the box given above. ऑनियन जो है आपके कौन सी पोजीशन पे है? थर्ड. सो यू कैन मैच द थर्ड. अंडरस्टूड ऑल ऑफ यू? ब्रिंजल्स, which position is brinjals? 6. You can see from this pictures. Bottle gourd 7. Where is the 7th? 7th, it means is the this one is the ordinal number, like first, second, third. These are the ordinal numbers. Understood all of you? These are the ordinal numbers. Fifth, potato is 5th position. Peas is 8th positions, and turnip is 10th position. Understood very well? So, being a good students, complete your homework. Both books, top that also, and enjoying maths also. Understood all of you? इस बुक में टॉप दैट बुक्स में आपके तीनों सब्जेक्ट्स हैं. सो आपको इंग्लिश और हिंदी वाली मैम भी बता देंगी कि कौन से पेज से आपको वर्क कंप्लीट करना है. और मैथ्स में आपको 82 से लेकर 99 पेज तक टॉप दैट में कंप्लीट करना है. So, meet you soon next month. Stay at home. God bless to all.